Good morning, dear children. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson 17. And in this chapter we will be studying about air and water. My dear children, air is present all around us, everywhere. We breathe in air, but we cannot see it. We can feel air. When do we feel air? When we observe the leaves of the trees rustling, the pages of the book fluttering, when the cloths on the clothesline are flying, we feel air. Okay? So we cannot see air, but we can feel it. When we blow air, again we feel it. We cannot touch this air. We cannot smell it. We cannot taste it. But still, it is very important for all of us. It helps in burning. It helps us to fly aeroplanes. It helps the boat to sail. It helps the kites to fly. We can blow up balloons because of air. Air is filled in the tires of our vehicles, like scooter, bike, car. Okay? We fill air into footballs also, and our swimming tubes also. Next we are talking about water. Water, it is present in water bodies like well, lake, pond, river and ocean. Water also has no color, no taste, no smell or a particular shape. But whenever we put water into any container, water takes the shape of the container. Let's say if you put it into a glass, the shape of the water will be of the glass. If you put it in a spoon, the shape of the water will be of the spoon. Now, very important, water changes into ice when we keep it in fridge. Okay? Also, water changes into steam or water vapor when we boil it. You might have observed your mama. When she makes tea, water boils and the steam rises up. And when she makes ice creams for you, she keeps them in the fridge and the water gets converted to your ice candy. Now let's talk about uses of water. Water is very important for all of us. We drink water. Not only we, all the plants and animals also need water. They also need it for drinking. They also need it for living. Some animals and plants, they live inside water also. We use water for cooking. Then we use water also for bathing, for washing our clothes and for watering plants. So what have we learned today? Today we have talked about air and water. Both are very important for us. We cannot survive without them, neither air nor water. Both of them, they don't have any shape. We can feel air, but we can see water. Okay? So that was all for today. Thank you, dear children. Have a good time ahead. Love you all. Bye-bye.